Welcome back to our channel.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Tiff.
And it's your boy Tone. What's up? So today we are going to make vegan chicken strips. And we're going to be using mushrooms.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so here are our mushrooms that we're going to make vegan chicken strips out of. And then we have our dry batter and our wet batter. And here are some of the seasonings that we've used with our dry batter and in our wet batter. The panko breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, sea salt, old trusty Old Bay seasoning, paprika, and some organic butter.
Alright, so we're going to make the mixed veggies one of our side dishes. So, very simple dish. You hear that sizzle? Okay. Yeah, come on, zoom on in. The first thing I like to put on, and I'm very generous with this, is my Laurel seasoning salt, no MSG. And tonight we're gonna be putting on LSG. Your body, my body. Okay. So we only gonna cook this for about maybe 10 minutes at the most. Go crazy on the cayenne pepper. Because all you need is a little bit. That goes a long way. Now we're gonna add a little onion. Fresh onion. The chicken tenders looking, baby.
Wow, they're coming along. About time to take them out.
And it look like chicken, don't it?